Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Deepika. Today's video is gonna be about purple eye look. It's such a fun and wearable look, and people with brown eyes really give it a try. Purple brings out the brown in your eyes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please leave me a comment below if you like the look and let me know what you think. Starting off by filling up my brows with precisely my brow pencil from Benefit, using the pulley end to brush the brows and then the other end to fill in ever so slightly, just filling where it's needed and brushing it again to lightly blend the color that I filled in. Next, going in with MAC PaintPot in Wear Study. You guys, this is so good. It actually helps in keeping the eye makeup stay put for long. I'm using MAC 217 brush to apply all over the lid. Using Eden from Desert Dusk palette, this is going to be my transition color. Transition color is something that helps in blending the main color seamlessly. Also, it's very close to your actual skin color. So taking MAC 224 brush, first doing stamping motion all over and then blending the same. Key to seamless blend is to hold your brush very lightly and your brush movement should be feather-like. Once I'm happy with the color build-up, I move on to building the purple color called Plum Dressing from MAC. I start with MAC 217 on the upper lid, just placing it on the lid, and when I'm not left with any color on the brush, I lightly start to blend the edges. In this step, I like to look in front of the mirror and then blend the color slightly upwards, taking the color up so that when I open my eyes, I can still see the color from the lid. I then go ahead and intensify the lid color with my finger. This is a good way for intense color show up, and then just blending everything with no color on the brush. You can see how two colors are blending and giving a beautiful mix of the two. I'm going to be intensifying the lid color furthermore by taking the color on the flat brush and then spraying Fix Plus. Next, I'm blending the under eye using the beauty blender and concealing the same. Now I'm taking the purple color from Desert Dusk palette and putting it in the lower lash line and blending it with Eden. Gonna be lining my lower lash line with purple liner from MAC and tight lining with black Clinique liner. Next, taking a liner brush from Makeup Forever and the Sketch eyeshadow from MAC and lining the above lash line. It is always a good way to start with powder to define the liner and then finishing off with the liner. I will be finishing off by intensifying the liner by using Fix Plus and the shadow. I went ahead and curled my lashes, put the mascara on. I also highlighted the high points of the eyebrow and the inner corner of the eye using All That Glitters from MAC. And that's a complete look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.